Hello everyone, I am Sujit Kumar Raut, a BTech Mechanical final year student. First of all, I want to thanks to my faculty Professor Sudeep Singh for guiding and helping me for completion of this project. My project is all about engineering bill of material generation of butterfly valve. Butterfly valve is a valve that isolates or regulates the flow of a fluid. Butterfly valves are also used in many industries such as pharmaceuticals, chemical, food industries, and etc. This assembly consists of 7 parts. Click on Start, Mechanical Design, Part Design. New part box will open in which we have to name the part as body. We have to click on Sketch Positioning for plane selection. Then the workbench will open. Then we have to click onto the circle for generation of circle and click onto the constraint for providing appropriate dimension to it. After doing the sketch, we have to click onto the exit workbench tool, then click to the pad for making the 2D sketch to 3D object or 3D design. Again we have to click to the sketch positioning for further sketch as our design required. Here we have to use profile tool for complex design. After doing their design, we have to select project 3D element to generate the surface in the circular region. Now we have to select the constraint to make the surface and the 2D sketch coincide and dimension the 2D sketch as well. Again we have to draw a circle as our design required and dimension it with constraint tool. Here we have to use eraser tool for erasing extra surface and click on exit workbench. Then we have to click on pad for converting 2D sketch to 3D design and click to the circular pattern to replicate that 3D design in circular pattern. Now click to mirror tool for mirroring the design. Now we have to click to plane for generating new planes. In new plane we have to draw new sketch as per our design required. we have to click on hole tool for generating hole. After doing the design, we have to save it. Similarly, we have to repeat those steps for doing all other parts. Some minor changes happen as per our design required, as shown in the videos. Now we have to assemble all the parts that we have designed. Click on Start Mechanical Design Assembly Design. A new assembly tab will open. Now click on Existing File. A file selection box will open in which we have to select one part and click on Open, which will open that part in the Assembly tab. Now click on Anchor tool, which will fix that part in one position. Again we have to open more part by clicking to the existing tab. Here the two parts are overlapping each other, so we have to use manipulation tool for moving one part. Now we have to select coincide constraint tool for making the axis of the two parts same. Now we have to select contact constraint tool for making the surface contact. Here reuse pattern is used, which will replicate the parts. After doing assembly, we have to save it. Annotation is extra information associated with a particular point in a document or other piece of information. Now we have to do annotation of different parts that we have designed. Click on file. Now click on open for opening the existing file. After the count start, mechanical design drafting, a new drafting creation box will pop up. Here we have to select the layout for the convenience. Then click on OK. A new tab will open which will show our design in 2D sketch form. Here we have to click on insert text and again text for writing the name of the part in the sketch. Then we have to use the dimension tool and its toolbar for annotating the sketch. After annotation, we have to save it. Similarly, we have to repeat those steps for doing all other parts. A bill of material is a list of the raw material, sub-assemblies, intermediate assemblies, subcomponent, parts, and the quantities of each needed to manufacture a product. Now we have to generate bill of material of the assembly. We have to open the assembly, then click on enhance scene for capturing the views of the assembly. Here we have to capture two views. Click on start mechanical design drafting. A new drafting creation tab will pop up. Here we have to select empty sheet layout, click on OK, which will open drafting tab. Now we have to click edit and select sheet background and click frame and title block for generating frame and title block. Then click on edit and select working view. Then we have to click isometric view tool, click on to window and select the file name of the assembly, which will pop up the which will open the assembly tab, in which we have to click on scene and click to the design, which will open design in drafting tab. Right click on the design and select property to rearrange the size of the design. Open assembly tab by clicking to the window and part name. In assembly tab, click on analyze and select bill of material, in which we can change the format of bill of material. Now again open drafting tab. In drafting tab, click on insert generation bill of material and click on to the bill of material and click to the sheet which will generate bill of material. As bill of material is generated, we have to save it.